Parkside Home, a residence that embodies future-oriented design with a sustainable approach. Located in Fitzroy North, Australia, this 148 square meter masterpiece by Austin Maynard Architects is specifically crafted for aging in place, allowing homeowners to enjoy a comfortable retirement in the community they cherish. This home is an innovative solution for downsizing, utilizing an existing property to create a secondary dwelling at the rear. The owners, Brian and Maria, envisioned this plan 2 decades ago when they purchased a Victorian-style home in this vibrant neighborhood. With dual street access and optimal northern orientation, they decided to release the family home at the front and build Parkside Home, a compact residence with direct views of the lush parkland previously hidden behind a garage. The design of Parkside Home prioritizes flexibility, light control, and ventilation. Operable timber panels, strategically placed skylights, and louvers allow the homeowners to adjust lighting, privacy, and connectivity with the surrounding environment. The facade features a modular arrangement of timber panels, glass panels, and operable sections controlled via an automated system. This combination ensures a perfect balance between functionality and aesthetics. The home is also designed for efficiency and deep connection with nature. A central courtyard invites sunlight, fresh air, and greenery directly into the open-plan living space. The ground floor provides single-level living for daily convenience, while the upper floor includes a guest bedroom, bathroom, and art studio, accessed via a bright yellow spiral staircase. Through this project, Austin Maynard Architects demonstrate that smaller homes can work harder without compromising comfort. Parkside Home stands as proof that innovative design not only enhances aesthetics but also contributes to more sustainable, space-efficient housing solutions that harmonize with the local community. What makes Parkside Home truly unique is how it integrates with its surroundings. The public park across the street serves as the homeowner's private garden without the burden of maintenance. Every morning, the first thing I do is open the shutters and blinds. I can't start my day without it, says Brian, the homeowner. For them, The park offers the serenity of countryside living, right in the heart of the city. Inspired by this design? Share your thoughts in the comments section and stay tuned to our channel, Block 7, for more fascinating home design ideas.